In today's video, let's take a look at the way that you use Google AI Studios for apps. If you're trying to build or prototypes app using AI, Google AI Studios can be a good platform. Now what you can do once you're inside of Google AI Studios is head over to the build section. This is an entire section for building applications. So here you can just add in your prompts of whatever you're trying to build. Make sure your prompt is details and exactly tells the AI what you're trying to build. So you can add in a prompt similar to this, hit enter or hit run, and the AI will start building the application. The AI will generate the full code for your app, usually with an HTML file, a bit of CSS styling, and JavaScript for the API call. Once you get the entire code, you can also ask in follow-up prompts, such as if you need more design or modern designs, you can add in a follow-up prompt like this. So as you can see, within seconds, the Google AI Studios has built a platform which lets me check the weather by typing in the city name. Once you're happy with the result, you can head over to the code section. So this is the code editor. Copy in all of this code and head over to your code editor and just paste it in. And that's it. That's how you use Google AI Studios to generate app ideas, code, and prototypes in minutes. If this kind of video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.